So this is how ridiculous is it to replace the bulb, the fog light bulbs on Lexus rx400h. So you could see the connector there, but you cannot fit in your hands to remove the bulb. Worst thing is there's no access down below because there's a cover for the I think it's a transmission cooler on this area. So the only way is actually to remove the bumper cover, and first thing is you have to remove this trim. Yep. So I got all the clips, and they're pretty much not in good shape, but I can still use them. So I got it all out, and the next thing is to remove the screw over here, and this one too. Yep. And probably some screw down here. So I got the screw in here. It's like a hex. And down here there's a slot. Yep. Where you could put a screwdriver. Yep. To loosen the bumper. Yep. Actually no, that slot is not for that. It's way over here. Yep. There's a screw here that will remove this bumper cover to the fender. So it's like this. Somewhere halfway or close halfway. Yep, it's out. And you're gonna peel this plastic here, and we'll see if I could. So we will gonna slowly break the tab here. So I broke it loose, and I think I have some space to access it. Yep. Let me see if I could position my phone here so that you could see. Could probably reach here. Okay, almost. Okay, so I was able to reach it from here. Yep. And yeah, I believe you don't need to. Probably, I think you could get away with removing the bumper cover. You just probably like take out the wheel and then open this out. Yeah, this fender liner here, or the inner fender. So I'm gonna disconnect this one. Let's see. Probably. Sometimes this connector is stuck. So yeah, here's the burned one, and this is my replacement. It's an H11. So yep, there's the connector there lying, and we'll try put it in. Okay, there you go. It's on now. Yep. That one got fixed too.